All right, chief on your for me more bibi akwabasa chill bia the bar or dinner home TV me jidi say or bad the other women tea bibi ho ye. Ye be boy and say muntentim yana chese yakwa kopie mu or eye court nsɛm bi bɔbɔ free court ɛfa ma me Cecilia da pa ka na special prosecutor de beto abɔnten sɛ wɔhu sɛ Cecilia da pa ne sales bank account na nyinaa sika deda mu na nyɛ sika ketewa nti ɔbɛ freeze saa account no nyinaa na ɔsa akɔ ne fie na ɔkɔhu sika na ɛsɛ egu ne fie no nso so no so ɔmo saa de warrant ato sɛ sika no so sɛ wɔntumi mfa ne nsa nkasa sika no sisi ya na saa nsɛm yi nyinaa ekopie mu ɔ court akye sɛ Cecilia da pa so lawyers so ɛte saa nsɛm anya ɔmo de na kye sɛ ɔmo so de nsɛm bi ba abɔnten ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ special prosecutor otie media no so otie abɔnten sofoɔ ɛna ɔde judge ne nneɛma cause obi wɔ ne sika na ɛwɔ ne fie obi sika wɔ ne fie a ɔntumi bɛka nkyɛn ne sɛ ɔde warrant to so anaasɛ ɔde taboa to so sɛ ne sika no ɔntumi use anaasɛ ɔbɛtumi freeze ne bank account we ne nsɛm bebree na kyerɛ sɛ efiri court hɔ ɛba from Cecilia Dapa case no ɛbɛkɔ akɔtie nsɛm no mu kyerɛ mu from Obi ɛne ne reporter ɛne nsɛm a ɛkeka ho free ba ɛnɛ ne de kan ɔtie ɔde ne ho TV a mɛma we mfi sɛ ɔbɛ subscribe to our channel ɔbɛ like na ado adwenkyerɛ so ɛbu comment section kamakama do obi bi ase
studio ha Richard Akwaba na tesɛn
yenu me hoye
bibi aboko
nyame ado me hoye
nti ene Cecilia asɛm no ɛkɔ ɛhenfa court bɛya
Financial and Economic Crimes Court.
Yes.
Okay. A division of the High Court.
Yeah. It did not almost a day important and a court.
One thing that you're crying court anymore. It was a virtual court session.
Oh, okay.
So yes, the OSP
legal break, legal vacation.
Exactly. Okay. The OSP did not come to court, but they were represented by Dr. Isidore.
Okay.
And then Madam Cecilia Dapa was also represented by Victoria Bath.
Victoria Bath.
Yes,
okay.
Exactly. So so the judge was in court, all right, but the two parties were not exactly. So we the journalists were given Google Meet, and then we had to join outside the court.
Oh, okay.
It was an interesting session actually. So Madam Cecilia Dapa, as we know, she was not in court, but there was an application by the Office of the Special Prosecutor to confirm the freezing of the monies found in Cecilia Dapa's house. That is one. So there were two, in fact, two strands of the argument. The first one was the freezing of the account in her house, and the second one, the freezing is in respect of the account, and then the seizure is in respect of the Nifio. So there were diverse arguments. But so the argument made by Cecilia Dapa representative was that the OSP was perpetrating illegality because they should have come within the mandatory 7-day period within which they could apply to the court to confirm the seizure and the freezing. So on 1 year they feel that some illegality is being perpetrated and that the court should throw out the application being filed. So the fact that monies were found in the matrimonial home of Cecilia Dapa doesn't mean that there is some wrongdoing or some corruption or corruption related
offense.
Will be exactly the same thing that the fact that there are money standing to the credit of Cecilia Dapa in the account doesn't mean anything. Say be a wire bonny be and untina sikano guna account and the client in idea. I mean things are legitimately done and the OSP is swimming along the media frenzy that is currently ongoing and that was really what happened until they pray the courts. Say courts OSP asem no de buy no.
Now OSP so argument on 7 days mandatory period near then.
Well, almost they are within the law. They have come. So there were argument of shall in the OSP Act. And all of that, but I mean, we'll leave it to the court. The ruling on the 31st of August, whether the court will uphold the argument by the OSP or will side with Madam Cecilia Dapa representative.
It is part of our application, no OSP, no in the application, we name the amount involved.
Well, so on the first one, they named the amount found in her home. That is $590,000 US.
$590,000 US.
Yes.
And only official in the court document.
In the court document of monies found
in her home.
Exactly.
$590,000.
When they conducted their search. And in addition, they also found 2.7 million Ghana cedis. In
the $590,000
plus
and a
2.7 million Ghana cedis. So
we need the OSP they are court.
Exactly.
So
exactly. And on that basis, in it CZ. And the courts by the OSP Act should confirm, say this is what they have done, and should give legitimacy to action to that one.
Okay.
And then
now,
second,
bank
account, all that the two parties indicated in court, they didn't mention the names of banks in question, the banks they made the enquiries. They didn't mention them. They did not also name any amount
in any of the accounts.
But now where the argument was going, I was tempted to believe say amount to be say, oh, these were the amounts standing to the credits of Madam Cecilia Dapa, but nothing of that sort was done. And then basically that was what happened in court. The judge inquired why the money were found in the matrimonial home of Madam Cecilia Dapa. It was only Madam Cecilia Dapa who was arrested. Then the OSP said that both of them were placed under arrest. So they put it on record that both of them were arrested. So it wasn't only Cecilia Dapa. The fact that the money was found in the matrimonial home of the couple, both of them were arrested. And so the questioning would be for both of them.
It is granted bail.
Yes, right? They've been granted bail. So this case is substantially and materially different from the case that is currently running the criminal. Exactly.
Okay.
And for that one, we will be in court on the 22nd. But the ruling of this application will be on the 31st of August
of this month.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
I'm for me ten
na yenko yanimu pa na said na medika make a we dika kra kototwe ho nkomo kakra ye ma Miss Cecilia Abnada pa na sem ya na ne abeto mu foforo kra udi ho nkomo kakra ye ni kun ne de na ene ho abasem no na nura ne lawyer no make some revelations na poso na me pese na yensua ho ade kakra
ne lawyer beya
ne lawyer ye Victoria Bath ye ma Miss Cecilia Abnada pa lawyer kire se ne edikan OSP ntimi nka da biara da se obi di sika gu ne dem a ese so suspecting ne se sika na ye kro no sika wase end ye wrong ye wrong se na ati ho ya na watutu ntoma fefefe te ye na bia obi asi wachi wo fie na obekọ na ene watehye dollar euros
just wo found coins
na ye sure ya bo akire aye
na kwa me ahe I say wo ko pa bosia bank ni say fa eye collateral